ना बीवी ना बच्चा ना बाप बड़ा ना भैया, द होल थिंग इज दैट कि भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपैया। अब आप लोग ये मत कहना कि सर आज लगता है आपके अंदर का मारवाड़ी बाहर आ ही गया है। आई हैव एक्चुअली ब्रॉट दीज नोट टू दिस प्री लेक्चर कैप्सूल सो दैट आई कैन टीच यू मोर अबाउट हिस्ट्री। हेलो ऑर्फिकन्स, मैं हूं मुकेश पारेख, आपका इतिहास का अध्यापक, और आज हम पढ़ेंगे अबाउट द आर्किटेक्चरल मार्वल्स ऑफ इंडिया। यूं तो इंडिया के बहुत सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि विश्व प्रसिद्ध हैं। इनफैक्ट इंडिया का आगरा का ताजमहल जो है वो वर्ल्ड के 7 वंडर्स में भी काउंट किया जाता है। बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्पेसिफिकली टॉक अबाउट द मॉन्यूमेंट्स विच फीचर ऑन आवर करेंसी नोट्स। आज हम स्पेसिफिकली सिर्फ इन्हीं मॉन्यूमेंट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। Historically, coins have always provided great details about the emperors, their religious beliefs, and other insignia about their kingdom. Similarly, जब हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने न्यू सेट ऑफ करेंसी नोट्स इशू करे, they decided to give the prominent monuments an important space in it. Let's talk about the 10 rupee note. It has the famous Konark Sun Temple of Orissa on it. This Chariot Temple is actually a manifestation of time on its own. Each structure built in Konark Sun Temple represents the passage of time. For example, it is a chariot with a set of 12 stone carved wheels which represent the 12 months of the year. या फिर if we talk about the spokes of the wheels, they are actually shaped in the shape of a sundial. You can actually tell the exact time by looking at the shadow cast by these wheels. In fact, ये जो wheels हैं, they have 8 spokes and each spoke represents a prahar which is 3-hour period, adding up to 24 hours, which is an entire day. The temple is shaped in the form of a huge sun chariot. This chariot is drawn by 7 horses and no prizes for guessing, they represent the 7 days of the week. Moving on, let's talk about the 20 rupees note, shall we? It features the Ellora Caves. Ellora actually एक archaeological site है about 30 kilometers away from Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Ellora represents the epitome of Indian rock-cut architecture. The 34 caves that make it are actually structures excavated out of the vertical face of Charandhari hills. The beauty lies in the fact that 17 of these caves are actually Hindu, 12 of the caves are Buddhist, and the other 5 are Jain. The rupees 50 note, let's talk about it. यहाँ पे हम एक बार फिर एक और chariot temple के बारे में बात करेंगे, but this time from Hampi in Karnataka. It's said that this chariot temple was commissioned by Raja Krishnadeva in the 16th century. Hampi, आप लोग शायद नहीं जानते होंगे कि 15th century के आसपास was the second biggest city after Beijing in the medieval world. And in fact, ये शायद इंडिया का सबसे richest city था which attracted traders from Persia, Portugal, everywhere. Let's talk about the 100 rupees note. This would probably a little closer to your heart because it features the 11th century ornate step well Rani Ki Vav. This is located in Patan, Gujarat, and it was built by the Solanki queen as a memorial for her husband King Bhimadeva I. This step well has been preserved by the government authorities really well. It is about 65 meters long, about 20 meters broad, and more than 30 meters deep. This brings us to our biggest note, 200 rupees. It prominently features the 2nd century BC Buddhist monument Sanchi Stupa, with one of its ornate gateways on the reverse side. Built by the Emperor Ashoka, it is said to be the oldest Buddhist sanctuary, and it was a major Buddhist center in India till about the 12th century. आज हमने काफी सारे इंडियन नोटों पे देखा उनके मॉन्यूमेंट्स को और उनके बारे में कुछ जानकारी हासिल की। जब हम अपने इन क्लास लेक्चर में मिलेंगे, then we'll talk at length and we'll discuss the Indian sculpture and architecture in much detail. तब तक के लिए पढ़ते रहें, आगे बढ़ते रहें। जय हिंद।